Just very good evening. Very good evening, all. Yes. Ah, Hari Om Gaming. Hari Om, Hari Om. Yes, very good evening to all. This is Kushwant Kumar, Unacademy Top Educator Physics. So we'll be dealing one of the best learning platform that is Unacademy and हरि ओम ट्रू सोलो हरि ओम कौन कौन आ रहे हैं नाम बताओ मेरे को आपके आईडी और दूसरे नाम से आ रही है लाइक करो लाइक मारो सेशन को ओके सो ये है सब्सक्रिप्शन का प्लान दैट इज 2250 डोंट थिंक दैट इट इज वेरी हाई इट्स वेरी लो कॉस्ट आई एम शिवम लोधी एंड देव वाओ वाओ वेलकम वेलकम शिवम देव वेरी गुड गोविंद हरिओम और लोगों को ऐड करो सबको लाइक करो और शेयर करो ज्यादा शेयर हो जाए ओके ये ओके सो 12 months the subscription plan and we are providing one of the free course सभी को करवाओ और बाकी जितने भी लोग हैं ओके we are one of the best learning platform we provide very nominal cost that is to the don't think that it is very high amount never because the amount which you are paying here is really literally very low. Hi everyone who is watching, please like this session. Okay, so that's what I want to say. It's my side that it's very simple. The price amount is very low. Okay, if you compare with other learning institutes, they will only have 4 class per day per 2000 rupees monthly. You can pay unlimited. You can watch unlimited classes live. Use the code Kushwant Live. If you comes under me, you can watch other classes also. It's not like that you can watch only my class. You can access other classes also. Okay. So everybody is saying the same. Okay. Understood? Okay. So we are providing one of the best that is 2250 rupees. If you don't want, you can take 6 months plan also. Okay. Hi sir. Hi Dilip. I'm fine. What about you? Like the session, everybody? Please like the session. Like the session. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So use the code 10125 12 months plan. Okay. So let's start the topic. That is series and parallel connections. Okay. In series and parallel connection. So it's a topic of 10th class. Okay. It's a series and parallel combination. Got it? Yeah. So before going into the chapter, the topic, what we do, we should learn the basic topics, the basic fundamental things. What is resistivity? R equal to rho L by A. Okay? What? Okay. R equal to rho L by A. R equal to rho L by A. Got it? Yes, understood everybody. Anybody is there? Asking question. Anybody have? Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. Okay. Yeah. So area of cross section, length of conductor along which current flows. This is the what is resistivity? The resistivity means which offers resistance. Okay. Yes. So symbol volt, ampere or ohm meter. V equal to R equal to V by I. Okay. Got it? Yes. So, what series means in the childhood when we are in studying in classes, 6th class, 7th class, of course you might have understood what I want to say. That teachers or our sports sir used to ask that stand in a line. That means serial wise. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means in a column, a straight line. See, R1, R2, R2, R2. These are called resistors. What is resistance? The property of a substance itself, of a conductor itself, to provide obstruction for the flow of current. That is called resistance. Okay. Okay, everybody who else is watching, like the session. Okay, like the session. Yes. Yeah. So R1, R2, R3, V equal to IR, B equal to R equation B. Okay. V equal to IR1, V2 equal to I2 R, V3 equal to I3 R. Okay. So these are the V1, V2, V3 and V. These are the equations. Okay. These are the equations. V equal to I1, V2 equal to IR2, V3 equal to IR3. These are the equations. See. Okay. Understood? So in this voltage is see V1. This sum of the all the potentials of conductor that is lying in the infinite manner. That means you can say in a serial manner. Serial 1, serial 2, serial 3, R1, R2, R3. Okay? Awesome. Got it? Yeah. Okay? Yes, yes, yes. So V equal to R required equation. Yes, yes. Welcome, welcome, new guys. Welcome. Okay, any doubts you are having, please ask me itself regarding anything. See, daily I am having class at 4:30 p.m. in Unacademy channel, Unacademy Learning app. We do have an Unacademy Learning app that is Suman sir. How are you? Fine. Good evening. Yes, 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 yeah. Acha. Thank you, thank you. So we do have one app that is called Unacademy Learning app. That is only for not only for EAMCET. You can download it for NEET preparation also. But as you enter, if you want to come to my class, you should apply the code Kushwant 100. KUSHWNT hyphen 100. If you apply that code, you can get the free classes. Okay? Everybody, in this link, in this class, you will find the link itself here that watch Kushwant sir's special classes. Hi Sumant, how are you? How the things are going on? Okay. So let's have series combination. So series. Okay. Series means see 1, 2, 3. Daily we used to watch serials. Serial 1, serial 2 like this. The series. Okay. So current I is flowing through the entire series circuit. So series circuit see. The current throughout is same. In series circuit, throughout the circuit, the current is same. Okay. Only voltage vary because see, if we assume it's a long wire, infinite long wire. Here I attached here I have attached 1, 2, 3 resistors. Current is flowing constantly, but what's changing? Because here here voltage changes, here voltage changes. So it's okay. So different voltage, same current. So if I say resistance is more in series or parallel. No, assume it. Here we are getting more resistance or not? Of course, because they are connected in one serial manner. So if you add all the resistance, you will get more resistance. So as you go on forward, so we will come to know that resistance is more in series and resistance is less in parallel. So let me ask you, out of these people, if anybody is watching, I want to ask you, in our home, that is series connection or parallel connection? Okay, that is series connection or parallel connection? I want to ask you one question. It is series connection or parallel connection in our home? Okay, it is which connection? Series or parallel connection? Anybody? Generally in our homes, we are having with series or parallel connection. Of course, this chapter you might have completed. You sure? Yeah, I think sure. You have completed in class 10th also. Parallel connection. That's great, Suman. Yeah. So we do have parallel connection. But if you see practically, we found that all are connected via a single wire. It's not like that. If you break this circuit, if you watch clearly, okay, if you have keen observation, then you find that all are connected in parallel. So we want more current. So to have more current, resistance should be very low, isn't it? Govind, who else are there watching the session? Please like it, okay? Yeah. If you have any doubts, please ask me. So R1, R2, R3, that is equal to required R required equation. See? So V1, V2. I told na, in series connection, I is same. Throughout the circuit, I, constant current is flowing. Only resistance varies. From this, voltage also varies. So finally what we got? R required equal to how much? R required equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So simply, if we have given that there are 5 resistors, each comprises of 2 ohms. What will be your answers? So N into R. In series connection, we do have one formula R equivalent. That means R total resistance equal to N into R. What is N? N equal to 5 resistors. N 5. What is the value of R? 2. So total is 10 ohms. Instead of adding N1 and R1, R2, R3, R4, just simply apply the formula R because all are having same resistance, same value of resistance. So no need to add individually. Add multiply with the N equal to R. Okay. Yes. So if we do have different resistors, of course you have to apply the formula R1 plus R2 plus R3, R4 so on up to Rn. Okay, AP formula. Okay, arithmetic progression like A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, you can apply that formula also. See, now the trend has changed. Earlier we used to give find the number of resistors acting in it. Total value is 60 ohms. Total value is 60 ohms and one value is 2 ohms. How many resistors we have? Simply just divide. Okay, we'll get it. But if there are some resistance which have different resistance value, then you should add. You have to add. Any more questions? See, now series combination. If two resistors are connected in concept scheme, yes guys, if two resistors are in series, so R equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, rho L by A equal to rho L by A by rho. What is R formula in terms of rho L? You know now R proportional to L, R proportional to 1 by area. By combination of these two formula we got R equal to rho L by A. So resistance of a wire depends on length of the wire and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Isn't it? So we have written like this. So what is L equivalent? L1 plus L2. Area is same. Cancel out area. Only length will change. So R depends on length. R distance. Okay. L1 plus L2. R equivalent equal to L1 plus L2. R equal to rho L by A. Okay. Any doubts? Anybody is there who is watching, still watching my session? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. The current in each resistance is same. Okay. The series combination I told now the current is same throughout the conductor. If we same in each resistance R1 plus R2, if you add all this, so finally it will get the same resistance. The current in the resistance is same. So R1 plus R2 plus R3. So V1 will only voltage changes. Change in the voltage. Okay, we do have change in the voltage. The potential difference across each resistor is proportional to its resistance. So V proportional to R. The voltage, as the voltage increases, as the resistance increases, the voltage decreases. Voltage increases, as the resistance increases, voltage also increases. See, it is proportional. But current will be constant. So from this, what you understood that current is same. Same means current is constant. That means we can't increase or decrease the value of current. Yeah. So low current. Series connection provides low current. From this we understood that series connection provide low current. Okay. Okay. So series combination voltage divider. So voltage divider. So R1, R2, I, V1, V2. See how their voltage is dividing. How? So we have discussed about the length. Now we are discussing about the voltage. Current is same, so no need to discuss about the current. So now we are discussing about the voltage. How voltage is divided in the series connection. See, in the 10th class we have studied some of the resistance, the total resistance. Okay. Now, what about the voltage? Other parameters also very important to study. Okay. For this purpose, only we are targeting that to teach all the concepts and to cover all the concepts, and so that our students who are watching definitely get rank. Our motto is like that only. Okay. Yeah. So V equal to IR, V2 equal to IR2. Okay. So V1 by V1 equal to V1 by V2 equal to R1 by R. So V1 by V2 equal to V. So V1 equal sum of the total voltage by the voltage. Okay. Yes. Who else is watching? So the total voltage by R1 into R1. That is called V1. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts in this? See how R1, R2 are there, how the voltage is dividing. The voltage divide with equal amount in accord with the current. In accordance with the current. So V1, V2 equal to V by R1 plus R2 into R2. See V1, V2 equal to V. V1 equal to V by R1 plus R2 equal to R1. Okay. Yeah. Got it? Yes. See. So potential difference 6 volts is applied across AB. Determine the potential drop across each resistor. So what is the total resistance? Simply you can see and tell. Total resistance equal to R equal to NR. Of course the total resistance R total equal to NR. What is N? 3 na 1, 2, 3. 3 into each resistance value is 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Understood? Got it? Notes. So V1 is to V2 is to V3 equal to 2 is to 2 is to 2. Okay? So 6 volt. So what is total? I told, see, if you go with the previous side, see V1 would be V2 equal to R1 by R2. Okay? That means what? V proportional to R. So what does it mean? What does it mean V1? That means how much will be the voltage? That will be the resistance. That means how much will be the resistance? Vice versa. That much will be the voltage. So in this we can say that V proportional to R. 6 ohms. This is need not to solve all this also. Okay. Potential drop across each resistor. 2 volt, 2 volt, 2 ohm, 2 volt, 2 ohm, 2 volt, 2 ohm, 2 volt, 2, 2, 2, 2. How easy the things are. See, that's why concept learning is very, very important. That's why I'm saying to students, if you want to learn more, if you want to clear, if you want definitely rank, see, nobody else is doing such a performance like Unacademy. That's why I'm saying, please come to my online classes, Unacademy Learning at 4:30 p.m. and watch it by applying code Kushwant 100. Okay, apply the code. For free class also you have to apply the code. Because some people are like that who do malpractices, who do something wrong, see whose intention is not good. Okay, that's why. So malicious people are there who does very bad. Not only the organization, that's why we have just introduce the code scheme. For, okay, you apply this code and come with my. Definitely, I will make you to the successful person. Definitely, make you a successful. Okay. So just simply, it's the concept is very simple. That voltage proportional to R. As much will be the voltage, that will be the resistance. Okay. So potential difference of 6 volt is applied across AB. Determine voltage of 6 volt 111. Okay. So 1 volt, 2 volt, so watch it 1 1 1 2 2 3 3. Simply na V1 V2 V3 V proportional to R V1 proportional to R1 V2 proportional to R2. So this question also very important. The question is given like this. If the question is given like this, so first people will get, what is the question? How to find? If you learn the concept, then definitely you will get the answer within seconds. Because if you do one wrong, definitely it will hamper on to the next question also. So don't spoil your brain. Simply just learn. What sir told, V proportional to R1, V2 proportional to R2. Just over. Complete it. Okay. V1. So parallel combination. Now we come with the parallel combination. See, same but step by step. Parallel means you keep in mind that, always keep in mind that whoever watching, please like the session. R1 by R2, R3. Okay, R1, R2, R3. So V1 equal to IR1, V equal to I. So V equal to, okay, this is set. Since all the left hand conductor potential difference, okay. So V2 V equal to I2 R2, V equal to I3 R3. Okay, got it? V equal to I3 R3. Okay, so I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. V equal to I2 R2, V equal to I3 R3. Okay, simply parallel combination. In this parallel combination, voltage is same, current varies because overall resistance will be very low because it's a parallel. Just think, if I say 2, then if I say 1 by 2, which will be the more? 2 is more, 1 by 2 is low. If we change the if we reciprocal the number, same like parallel means reciprocal, 1 by R. So as the value of R is low, current will be more. So in parallel combination, we get more current compared to series connection. See parallel combination circuit, parallel circuit, how the current will be R, R, R. See 1, 2, 3, like this. Yes. So IA 0.5, 0.5, and parallel circuit current. Okay. Yeah. So R1, R2, R3. See this. So R equation. So I equal to I1, I2, I3. So what is I? V by R cube. So V by R1. So V by R2. V by R2. Simply voltage is same. You should remember this key point. In series connection, current is same. In parallel connection, voltage is same. This is very, very important that one should learn the basic points because MCQs comes in the form of basic points also. At every point of view, the concepts are very important. So 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1. This is a general formula of function. Okay. Two ratios are in parallel. Okay. So R1 6 and 6 and 3, R equal to 6 into 6 plus 18 by 9 equal to 2 ohms. Okay. So R required equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay. R required equal to R1 R2 into R1 plus R2. Okay. Got it? Understood? Yeah. So R1 R2 R required. Simply, no need to do 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Simply apply the formula. This is best shortcut form. But who else watching, please like the session. Like the session, like the session. Okay. Okay. R1 R2. So row L1, A equation equal to A1 plus A2. So I equal to I1 plus I2. See circuit diagram. How the circuit. See how R1 and R2 are there. Just this diagram to make you clear the concept. Make the concepts completely clear. No doubt should be there. So R1, R2, R3. See the potential difference resistance is same. Yes, of course same. Okay. Current is only varying here. I1, I2, I3, R1. Resistance inversely proportional to is so I proportional to 1 by R. Okay, see parallel combination current divider. How the current divides? Current get divides by different. Current is not same here. See how the current is divided among all the resistors. Like the voltage divided in series connection, the same principle is working with the current also. The current is divided in the all resistors. Okay. Yeah. So see if you have any doubt, you can ask me people how the current and all everything is going on. Okay. Okay. So A1 and A2. IR V equal to V1 V2. To its resistance. Okay. Inversely proportional. Okay guys, so this is the basic picture of parallel series combination. So if you come to class daily 4:30 p.m. In this class, you will find a link also for my special class, free class. Come to my class with the applying code like Kushwant 100. Okay, you can have n number of tricks, formulas over there. Okay, you can find the n number of tricks and formulas. You will be enjoying the class a lot. Definitely, I'm sure I'm saying that. One of the best class I can say. Don't try to miss it. Come daily, utilize the time. Don't wait for the exam. Don't wait for the pandemic to be over. Things will go on if you study or if you waste the time also. Nobody will bother about you. Okay? Things will go move on. And we have to move with the situation. Okay? Thank you so much guys. Thank you all.